Hey mob, it's Zinnia. Today we're going to continue with our 10th capital letter, J, using the word juicy. This letter is the longest letter amongst the others. And I personally don't like the look of it in Engrosser script. So at the end of the episode, I will demonstrate 2 different ways that I would write it. Well, let's get started. Capital J. This capital letter takes up 5 spaces. A long stem loop from the top all the way to the bottom, and then draw a hook like this. So if you line up the hook and the loop, the lines should be parallel with the slant. And if you extended the hook, it should form an oval like this. Now I will write the word juicy with minimum ink, so you can see more clearly how the nib works on this stroke. When you get to the letter C, you need to prepare yourself to write the entrance stroke for the next letter, Y, as they are done in one stroke. Now I'll show you a couple of ways that I will write this letter. The first one is quite ornamental, and it's fun to write. The second one is simpler, but it looks nice too. What do you think? Do they look more interesting than the one in Engrosser script? Currently, I'm working so hard in putting more content for you guys. In my next tips and tricks episode, I'll demonstrate how to create marble effect writing. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you don't want to miss out, and share them with your friends if you think they will like it too. Just to remind you that our next lucky draw will be run when I hit 300 subscribers. Right, in our next video, we will do our 11th capital letter, K, with the word kindness. Thanks so much for watching and see you soon.